Hi, it's Sandra, and it's time to pick a winner for the Sweet Treats box from Maniology. And I'm very excited, so I can't wait to see who wins. And once I choose the winner, if you want to, obviously, if you want me to mail it to you, you're going to have to give me your address. So you have a couple choices. You can either give it to me on YouTube because I pre-screen all my comments before they're actually posted. If you don't feel comfortable with that, you can absolutely do it on Instagram, or you can even do it on my Facebook page. So some way you got to get me the your address, and this box will go out on Saturday. So as long as you're in the United States, we can almost guarantee that you'll get this before Christmas. I don't know if somebody from out of the country, how long that'll take, but it will be mailed out tomorrow morning. So I'm all set with my my random picker here, and all I have to do is hit the start button. So let's see who wins. So the winner is Lori Columbia. And Lori, if you send me your address, congratulations. And I will send you the Sweet Treats Stamping Starter Kit. So thanks for watching my video, Lori, and for leaving a comment and entering the contest. And like I said before, I will mail this out tomorrow morning. So thanks for watching.